Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be explaining SUPERSCAR by ADÉLA. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and if you're ready, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. First, we spread our legs apart and place our hands, palms out, in front of our mouth. And on the count of 2, we slightly bend our knees and pull all our weight on the right leg. Then we drop our arms and we turn our face to the right, looking down. Altogether, it would look like this. So now let's repeat from the beginning on the count of 1. So it will be 1 and 2. Then 3, 4. So first we make an S shape by crossing our hands and then stretch our arms so that they are above our head. And also, when we have our arms stretched above our head, the palms of our hands should be together and rotated. So first we look to the left side and then we look to the front. And on the count of 4, we have to bring our right leg close to our left leg and keep them together. So let's repeat from the beginning. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on 5 and 6, we have to start by pushing the chest forward and backward and forward again. And while we do this, we have to put our hands on our chest. For the legs, the right leg has to go back, and while moving the right leg, our chest is pushed forward. Then inward, and when we push our chest forward again, we join the left leg with the right leg. So again, it is 5 and 6. Okay, so now let's repeat everything from the beginning so we don't forget. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then on 7 and 8 and we start by pushing the right hand with the palms forward, and we do the same with the other hand, but the left hand is crossed over the right hand. And then we separate them on each side of our body. So it is 7 and 8. And on end, we place the hands, palms facing outward on each side of our mouth. 7 and 8 and. While doing this, when we stretch out our right hand, our left leg goes forward. So again, it is 7 and on 8, we put the right leg together with the left leg. So let's repeat again this part all together. It will be 7 and 8 and. Now let's repeat from 5 and 6. So it will be 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Okay, good job. Those were the first 8 counts. Now let's repeat from the very beginning. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Then on 1, 2, 3, 4, our leg go right, left, right, pose. And while stepping to the right, we first raise the right arm, and our left hand is touching the left side of our hip all the time. So it's 1, then on 2, we bring our left leg next to our right leg, and our right arm goes from being stretched out to resting on top of our head. So let's repeat 1 and 2. And then on 3, 4, with the right arm, we make a circle around our head from back to front and drastically lower that same arm. And while doing this, we bend our knees so that all our weight is on the right leg. And don't forget to turn your head to the right. Okay, so now let's repeat this part so that we don't forget and we can practice. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, our left arm is into fist and we pull it to the left. And then we also slide our right leg to the left. After that, on 6 7. We move our hips from side to side, left to right, and bending our knees slightly. And our right hand is into fist, touching the both sides of our hip, first the left and then the right. And we hide our left arm. And on 8, we slide to the left. In this part, imagine we're pushing something with the right hand and slide the right leg to the left. Okay, so well done. We have already learned the first half. Let's repeat from this part, and then we will do counts all together from the beginning. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So first is 1, 2, 3, 4. We make a circle with the arms. The right arm goes from the top to the center and the left arm from the bottom to the center. And we do the same but in reverse. Remember that in the first circle, the left palm must be on top of the right, and in the second circle, the right palm must be on top of the left. Next, on 5 and 6, we take out the right leg and then bring the left leg closer. And our hands are behind our head, and what we do is open, then close, and then open. Okay, so now let's repeat everything from this part, okay, from the first count. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. On 7 and 8, we slide our right leg together with our left leg, and while doing so, we rotate the fingers of our hand. So 7, 8, and then we move our head looking to the left. Altogether, it will look like this. Let's repeat from this part, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. In the next step, on 1 and 2, we separate our legs and we raise our left arm and pass it over our head. After doing so, we bend our knees so that we put all our weight on the left leg. So on 2, we bend. So let's repeat. 1, 2. On 3, we put our hands together in front of our chest. And on 4, we make a circle around our head from left to right, from front to back. While doing that, we make a half circle with our left leg from front to back. So altogether, it will be 3, 4. Okay, let's repeat from this part, from the first count. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now let's repeat again from this part, okay, from the second half. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Our right leg goes out, in, out, in. While doing so, our hands are open. The right hand next to our chest and the left hand next to our hips. So when the leg is out, our hands are opened, and when the leg is in, we switch our hands and they're into fist, the left up, the right down. So it will be 5, 6, and then again we repeat 7, and lastly on 8 we lift our hip while our hands are still into fist. So okay, let's repeat again. So it is 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so well done. Let's repeat again, and then we will do the count from the beginning of the second half. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.